I didn't hear you. Go ahead.
You have won yourself 2 cars.
Okay.
It's 2021 AMG Mercedes-Benz, one white and one black.
Okay.
And you're going to be receiving a check of $2.5 million inside of the car. Write it down.
Okay, all right.
And this check is going to be inside of the white car.
Okay. It's coming today?
Yes. Do you remember getting a call from any agent in regarding of this price before?
I think so. Maybe, but long time. Why you guys take so long to send?
Because those agents that you were speaking with, did they verify to you what you should be doing to get your price be delivering?
No, sir.
Okay, because this is in the system for over a long time now.
Okay.
So you got to take in care of a storage fee.
Okay.
So the government gave us the go ahead to make the delivery because you have a red light is on your package, and to take off the red light to get the green light, so we can make the delivery to you. You got to pay and get your claims receipt. So whenever the government, along with the company, they could know that you're ready to receive this price today, okay?
Okay, and where is the cars now?
The cars, they're in Montreal. They're in Montreal, and the flatbed truck, that's the Price Patrol delivery truck.
Okay.
That's what we're taking the 2 cars over to you.
Okay.
And all you have to do is just get it registered today.
Okay, go ahead.
Because listen, this is over $10,000 US, and I know, and you know, once we all have won ourselves over 10,000 Canadian dollars in Canada,
Yeah.
it's up to be reporting towards the government and towards the IRS, and we all have to be taking care of taxes. Am I right?
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Tell him bullshit.
Okay. So today, the main reason we called you this morning because we should be making the delivery, but you got to take care of the shipping and handling fee so we can make this delivery to you.
Okay.
So how would you like your price to be delivering to you today? In a large sum or in a monthly sum?
It doesn't matter from I get it.
Okay, and how would you like your price to be delivered? Published or confidentially?
I don't want no one to see it. Confident.
Okay. So can you take care of the shipping and handling fee today and get your claims receipt?
How much it gonna cost? How much it cost?
It's only gonna be costing you $999.99, and that's gonna be a reimbursement back to you in the black car with $225,000 in cash.
Okay.
Write it down.
Okay. So, cause I'm at work, you have to hurry.
You're at work?
Yes.
Okay. So the money that you pay is gonna be a reimbursement back to you with $225,000 in cash in the black car.
So who I pay to?
Pardon?
Who do I pay money to?
It's gonna be going towards the government merchant banker. It's going straight towards the bank.
So do I have how I pay? To you?
No. You're gonna be paying you can make the payment by the post office, or you can get a $1 vanilla gift card. Write the name of the card down. You can get it from the Walmart
Okay.
or a Walgreens. It's called a $1 vanilla gift card.
Okay.
And the one vanilla gift card, you can get one for $500 and one for $499.99.
Okay.
That's also $500 also.
Okay. Thank you.
So do you know the name of the card?
I write it.
What's the name?
Hey, Bumbo, you think you can scare me? Me a Jamaican like you go suck your mother.
When you move your front, them out, pussy.
Come off of my phone, you drunk bro. Go jump your mama.
I bet so go shot in your face.
Hey, pussy, you know, pussy, me a gunman in a pussy. Hey, boy.
Come shot in your face and bun on your local territory. Post you and struck my brother driving in Canada.
Aga is street me. Aga is street me born and grow in a boy. Aga is street me born and grow. Aga is street. Jump your mama boy, me a junglist. Hey boy, if I ever can catch you, I bust something in you.
You come at Jamaica, I'm going to sacrifice the pussy.
Which part, pussy, identify yourself and tell me which part you're dead down there. And see if you're not dead tonight. Hey boy, a dirty boy.